Hello, my cute little learners. How are you all? I hope you all are doing very well. This is your teacher Soumya Sharma, and today we are going to start English grammar book Grammar Pathways for class 4th. This book is from Riddhi series and published by Children's Voice. Hello, my dear cute little students. Today we are going to start a new chapter from your English grammar book. Chapter number is 4th and the name of the chapter is Interrogative Sentences. So students, in this class we all are going to learn about interrogative sentences. In the previous class हमने negative sentences सीखे थे कि what are negative sentences. So let's start with interrogative sentences. This is your book. यह तुम्हारी book है. Is this your book? क्या यह तुम्हारी बुक है? जब भी आप अपने स्कूल में अपनी बुक को भूल जाते हैं and in the next class or next day teacher ask you is this your book? because आपने बुक पर नेम भी लिखा हुआ होता है. तो जब टीचर पूछती हैं क्या यह तुम्हारी बुक है, ये कौन सा सेंटेंस है? इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. They were neighbors. वे neighbors थे. Were they neighbors? क्या वे neighbors थे? क्या वे पड़ोसी थे? You can lift this box. तुम इस बॉक्स को उठा सकते हो. Can you lift this box? क्या तुम इस बॉक्स को उठा सकते हो? They may come today. वे आज आ सकते हैं. May they come today? क्या वे आज आ सकते हैं? She will go tomorrow. वह कल जाएगी. Will she go tomorrow? क्या वह कल जाएगी? So the sentences on the left hand side state or expresses something. यानी कि जो लेफ्ट साइड पर आप ये सभी सेंटेंसेस देख रहे हैं, ये आपके अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस हैं जो किसी स्टेटमेंट को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. Such sentences are called assertive sentences or statements. The sentences on the right hand side ask something. जो right hand side पर आपने sentences देखे हैं, वो क्या करते हैं? आपसे questions put up करते हैं. Such sentences are called interrogative sentences or questions. ऐसे sentences को क्या बोलते हैं? Interrogative sentence या फिर questions. A question mark is placed at the end of an interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence के end में आप सभी क्या पुट करते हैं? एक question mark पुट करते हैं. Now we will read few sentences. She is reading poetry. वह poetry पढ़ रही है. Is she reading poetry? क्या वह poetry पढ़ रही है? Then question mark. He is going for a swim. वह स्विमिंग के लिए जा रहा है. Is he going for a swim? क्या वह तैरने के लिए जा रहा है? They are not playing tennis. वे टेनिस नहीं खेल रहे हैं. Are they not playing tennis? क्या वे टेनिस नहीं खेल रहे हैं? They were laughing. वे हंस रहे थे. Were they laughing? क्या वे हंस रहे थे? You are suffering from fever. Are you suffering from fever? So, the interrogative sentence in present continuous and past continuous tense is formed with. Students, जब भी आपको कोई present continuous या फिर past continuous tense given होता है, तब आप उन्हें interrogative में कैसे form करते हैं? But first we will understand what is present continuous and past continuous. So in the present continuous tense, the action is continuously happening in the present. और past continuous tense में क्या होता है? Action आपका past में continuous होता है. Means an action that happens continuously in the past is called past continuous tense. Now, first you all will use helping verbs is, are, am. आप क्या करेंगे? helping verbs यूज करेंगे. मैंने आपको अभी बताया था in the previous class helping verbs क्या होती हैं. and we have seen the difference between the main verb and the helping verb also. Then you all will use subject plus present participle and ing in the form. Alright, तो is आप यूज करते हैं सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट के साथ. आर हेल्पिंग वर्ब आप सभी यूज करेंगे प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट के साथ में, और एम आप यूज करेंगे हमेशा आई के साथ में. उसके बाद में आप सब्जेक्ट पुट करेंगे, देन आप क्या लिखेंगे, प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल के साथ में आप ing ऐड करेंगे, मीन्स मेन वर्ब में आप ing ऐड करेंगे. If you have past continuous tense, then the helping verb will be was or were. was आप यूज करेंगे सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट के लिए, were आप यूज करेंगे प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट के लिए. Then you all will put subject plus present participle and ing. All right. So I hope students you all have understood how to form present continuous and past continuous tense into the interrogative sentences. Move ahead students. Now we all will come to the exercise part. Change the following sentences into interrogative. अब आपको क्या करना है बच्चों, आपको कुछ सेंटेंसेस गिवन है, इन सभी सेंटेंसेस को आप इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में फॉर्म करेंगे. She is an excellent cook. वह एक excellent cook है. But if the same sentence you have to form in an interrogative sentence, how you all will write? You all will write is means सबसे पहले helping verb put करेंगे. Then subject. Subject क्या होता है? In the second chapter we have learned about subject and predicate. Subject is जिसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं. So subject is she, then an excellent cook. Is she an excellent cook? Then you all will put question mark in the end of the sentence. They were in complete agreement. Were they in complete agreement? Then question mark. They are famous builders. वे famous builders हैं. Are they famous builders? क्या वे famous builders हैं? Then you all will put question mark in the end. He often advises his friend. अब यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स आपको क्या करना है, सबसे पहले आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि ये कौन सा टेंस है. ये आपका सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस है. ऑलराइट, सो इट मीन्स डज ही ऑफन एडवाइज हिज फ्रेंड. आप सबसे पहले हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करेंगे डू या फिर डज, बट इन दिस सेंटेंस ही इज अ सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट, सो यू ऑल विल पुट does for the singular subject. Does he often advise his friend? Then question mark. Now we have the bus arrived late. बस बहुत देर से पहुंची. Now first you all have to identify the sentence. ये कौन सा टेंस है? ये आपका पास्ट सिंपल टेंस है. सो हाउ यू विल फॉर्म दिस सेंटेंस इन एन इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस? सबसे पहले आप हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करेंगे डिड. ऑलराइट, सो डिड द बस अराइव लेट. देन क्वेश्चन मार्क. डिड द बस अराइव लेट एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क. Now they were suffering from fever. So were they suffering from fever? And question mark. The soldiers were fighting bravely. Were the soldiers fighting bravely? Question mark. She was writing a letter. वह एक letter लिख रही थी. Was she writing a letter? Then Sushmita was living alone. Sushmita अकेले रह रही थी. Was Sushmita living alone? And then you all will put question mark. Tick the correct answers. अब आपको क्या करना है? करेक्ट आंसर पर टिक करना है. Where dash they usually play basketball, यानी कि usually वे कहाँ पर बास्केटबॉल खेलते हैं. The correct option will be, ना यहाँ पर जो सब्जेक्ट है वो प्लूरल है. Keep this in your mind. So for the plural subject you all will use are. So the correct option will be B. Where are they usually play basketball? Usually वे बास्केटबॉल कहाँ खेलते हैं? In the sports hall. Dash Sujan watching a film at the cinema. So, is Susan watching a film at the cinema? Because ये एक singular subject है. So here the correct answer will be option D. Mary is good at checkers, but Helen played well. Now, the correct option will be Helen doesn't play well. So, option D will be the correct. What's Mrs. Green doing now? यानी कि Mrs. Green क्या कर रही है? She dash combing her daughter's hair. वह अपनी बेटी के बालों को कॉम्ब कर रही हैं. जैसे आप सभी की मम्मा आपके हेयर कॉम्ब करती हैं स्कूल जाने से पहले. So she is combing her daughter's hair. The correct option is option C. All right. Mr. Birdie work at the restaurant? No, he is not working in a company, or he is working in a company. The correct option will be is. Alright students, I hope students you all have enjoyed this chapter and you all have understood about interrogative sentences, how you all can form from assertive to interrogative sentences. That's all for today's class. I hope students you all have enjoyed this class. Thank you so much for watching and learning with me. I will see you all in the next class.